Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my channel. My name is Shady BTC and you're watching the Jumper. We just want to do a quick review on the Thread app, the popular Telegram app that is synonymous to Twitter. Okay, so let's just do a quick review on Thread. This is the app review. This is the app review. Enter the app. This is how it's gonna look like. Just the same way that Twitter looks like. Okay, so at the bottom you have your search. If you want to search, you have your thread to create a post. You have your like to know activities that's happening. Then you have your profile. Okay, so just something like just exactly like the way Twitter is. Okay, so the essence of me doing this video actually is not just to tell you about this thing, but to tell you how you can utilize this thing and how you can utilize it to your advantage as a crypto trader. How you can utilize it to your own advantage. Okay, now one of the things, some of the driving motion Twitter is that in fact, it's being used by most crypto traders. It's more like a crypto community than a chatting platform, and that has actually been one of the things that has been pushing Twitter forward. Okay, so the same thing can also apply in this place. Whatever you do on Twitter, you can also do it on Thread. Okay, just like hosting your Twitter space, hosting spaces, AMA, and so on. So the things that I can also do, everything I do on Twitter, I also do it here. You can also create your thread on the airdrop and other things. You can also do the same thing here, as you can see. So to me, it's a welcome development, and we look forward to utilizing it to our own advantage. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you for sticking around. In case if you are watching it for the first time, this is DJ Pal. My name is Shady BTC. I will urge you that you subscribe and also like the video, so I get to see more of our videos when next we talk them. Okay. Thank you so much.